Hello and welcome to the part 25. Well, this is a fun and easy one. It's a toxic waste processing plant that we access from the area we did on a previous video. It's from the station and you visit here as part of the university quests, church's quests. So there's a shit ton of hunchbacks in here and we prepare accordingly. Well, yeah, assault rifles and ambush is the name of the game here, and you'll see why. Damn, I'm good at this. I knew that's the angle the dog is gonna take. I pat myself on the shoulder. Yeah, shit ton, as I mentioned. So, like, if anyone had questions, is ambush strong? Are sort of shotguns better than assault rifles? Questions of that nature. You can see for yourself. Yes, ambush is extremely strong. I've got around 140, 150 stealth and goggles on, focus them. I think it's almost 100% crit chance on ambushed enemies. I was like trying to take a silly angle so I would be able to burst both of them, but nope. Nice. What can you do? Dogs are not really an issue. And the bear traps are really just to hold them away so I don't have to kill them. Yeah, what the f- Yeah. Yeah, I don't have enough AP to reload. Sad noises and I have a commando. Now I do. You. Yeah. Yes, so shotguns have a place in this game. Yeah, so this build. It's mainly shotgun focused, because obviously somewhat AR focused, but mainly shotguns. Because all our point investments, etc., goes to shotguns. What? Yeah. Yeah. Compare this to what went on just a few seconds ago with assault rifle. I'm gonna try to do it with shotgun. Yeah, we got that single mutant down. yeah. So I'm glad I could show this to you. So shotguns are there just for fun. It's like you know, you want to do it. You like the bang bangs, you know. You like the occasional high numbers, yeah. But so anyways, that's the kit. Yeah, the area is done basically. All the enemies are dead, and I hope you enjoyed it. This was a fun area to do. Yeah, I was glad to do it multiple times. I just enjoy the screams and the crits and all that stuff. So, like it if you liked it as well. Leave a comment and sub if you haven't. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.